We have Dr. Samiksha with us, and she is going to share the successful story of her medical journey. And in recent FMG exam of December 2021, she has passed with flying colors, and she has done pretty good job. So, Dr. Samiksha, I would like to congratulate you and your family for your outstanding achievement, I would say.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
How are you feeling today?
Wonderful. I felt elated when the result came. I was feeling very happy, but now eventually 2 दिन हो गए हैं result निकल के, तो it has come down to normal now.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, so many people are there who would like to know who is Dr. Samiksha. Okay, so can we start with your basic introduction?
Yeah, so my name is Samiksha Bahulekar, Dr. Samiksha Bahulekar now, and I am from Mumbai. I have been born and brought up in Mumbai. I did my schooling from ICSC board, and then I went to pursue medical in Georgia in David Wildiani Medical University. So I finished my medicine graduation over there. I graduated in the month of May 2021, and then I attempted the December FMG.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, so what was your strategy for this exam?
So I had actually taken ARISE in the month of for the June attempt, June 2021. I had taken ARISE, but I could not give that attempt because my documents did not clear. My eligibility certificate was an issue. So I had taken it at that time. I attended all online classes at that time. I took down all the notes of every faculty in ARISE and the test and discussion as well. But since I couldn't give the exam, I just kept those notes aside. And when I had to give the December exam, I just referred through the same notes again of the same faculties. And I only took test and discussion from ARISE this time for 1 month, for the month of November. And I overwrote on the notes that I already had of everything new that the test and discussion made me learn. And then I gave the exam like that. That was my basically strategy.
And how much you scored?
I scored 215, sir.
Wow, wow, wow. That's incredible. Okay, that's a great job. So overall, this was your first attempt, right?
Yes, this was my first attempt.
Awesome. Yeah, that's great. Okay, fine. Now you tell me, say, every day for how many hours you used to study every day?
So in the beginning, I was not studying. I graduated in May and I came back home in July. So I came back to India in July, and for the month of July, August, and September, I was not studying too much. I was only studying for 4 hours a day. And I was only reviewing whatever ARISE notes I had previously of all the faculties. And in the month of September, October, I started studying for more, 6 to 8 hours a day. And in the month of November, I was actually stretching myself to 16 hours a day. And in those 16 hours, I was basically doing the test and discussion classes from ARISE. And I was also solving minimum 100 to 150 questions every day for the entire month. And in the last week before the exam, I made sure that I took at least one mock test of 300 questions exactly at the time when I was going to give the exam.
Very good.
From 9 a.m. to 11:30 and from 1:30 to 4, like that.
Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that's a good strategy because, like when you are practicing your mock exam at the same time, okay, like this will make your mind to work on that particular time most actively, right?
Yes, sir.
Zabardast.
And another thing that basically helped me was going through the same notes again. So if I made a mistake in my questioning, the question answer that I was giving, or the test and discussion, or whichever, I would go back to the same ARISE notes and I would take a different color pen this time and write down whatever I had missed. So I made sure that I don't refer too many sources. I stuck to one source and added on information to the same source so that I can review it from the same place again. So that helped a lot.
और आपका मेडिकल कॉलेज की जर्नी कैसी थी वहां पे जॉर्जिया में?
मेडिकल कॉलेज की जर्नी सर, मैं स्टूडियस बच्ची बिल्कुल नहीं थी.
अच्छा, okay.
मैं वर्क एंड लाइफ बैलेंस वाज ऑलवेज देयर एंड आई वुड स्टडी बेसिकली आई वुड स्टडी द बिग बुक्स. 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करती थी रोज in the first year, second year, third year for clearing concepts basically. And for the medical exam, medical college quizzes, for the medical exam in the college, I used to just refer to the short books like First Aid or Kaplan short books, or just the short books basically. And if there is some topic which is not clear, I would go to the big book for that. So medical journey में बहुत पढ़ाई नहीं की है, but की है consistently थोड़ी थोड़ी की है. So that helped in this time.
नाइस नाइस नाइस। और एक चीज और आप बताओ, जब आप तैयारी करते हो एग्जाम की ना, जैसे एफएमजी एग्जाम के टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है ना?
Yes,
तो
sir.
जो 5 मंथ्स तो मैं कहूँगा बहुत फुल ऑफ प्रेशर है पूरा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो वो टाइम पे जैसे आपको क्या लगता है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स अगर कुछ मिस्टेक करते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो पास नहीं हो पाते, वो मिस्टेक मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपको क्या लगता है सर?
तो मुझे लगता है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स डोंट स्टिक टू द सेम सोर्स. जो
हाँ,
एक चीज से जब तुम पढ़ाई करते हो तो यू शुड स्टिक टू द सेम सोर्स. अगर तुमको लग रहा है कि वो इनफ नहीं है और तुम कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करो जिसमें तुमको एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स मिल रहा है, तो तुम्हें कुछ और पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुमको सिर्फ वो स्पेसिफिक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट उठाकर तुम्हारे सोर्स में लिख देना है अलग कोई कलर में. सो दैट विल हेल्प, not using multiple resources. Secondly, what I think is when students in the very close to the exam, 1 month before the exam, picking anything new is not advisable. Nothing new should be studied at that time. You should only go through whatever you have already done, because
Yeah.
that is going to fetch you the most amount of marks.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so now we come to the point of Arise. Okay, so what about faculty? So faculties were very, very much supportive to you.
Yes, sir. Faculties were extremely supportive to me.
Yeah.
Whenever, even during the classes in June, for the June attempt, or during the test and discussion, faculties were actually available 24 hours of the day. If I'm studying in the night and I send a question to one of the professors in the night, I would probably get a reply within like 15 to 20 minutes of my answer. So, sir, you were of a very big help to me during for psychiatry and forensic medicine. All my questions during the test and discussion as well, I asked you a lot of questions, which was cleared then and there, even though we didn't have much time. And they were cleared very, very nicely. Also, Khalil sir for orthopedics and for radiology, it was extremely good the way he taught. Azam sir for anatomy and biochemistry. I will never forget anatomy and biochemistry because
Nice.
Sudha ma'am for ophthalmology was extremely helpful. In fact, when I learned ophthalmology from Sudha ma'am, basically Arise faculty has been very supportive throughout my FMG journey.
Nice. Okay, like I'm glad to hear all these. Okay, thank you so much. And so now, okay, last question I would like to ask you. Okay, what is a message you would like to give to your juniors or all the medicals who are going to write exam in June?
Okay, so something that I would like to say to everybody is consistency is key. You
Okay.
just have to be consistent. There are going to be days when you will lack. There are going to be days when you will not study. There have been days for me when I did not study. So if you did not study today, it's okay. Not a problem. Study tomorrow. Don't let today affect tomorrow also. Don't think कि अरे मेरा छूट गया, अब मैं आगे कैसे cope up करूंगा या करूंगी. Don't think that way. And you don't have to be a brilliant child. You don't have to be a very intelligent person to be able to crack this exam. I am an average student. Honestly, my entire medical school GPA has not gone above 80%. Hardly some of the exams I would have gotten 85% or something. But I am an average student. I never studied. Like medical students have to study constantly. Like they say, koi nahi karta hai. So that is one thing which is pretty clear. But yeah, when you have to study for FMG, you have to study. And if you consistently study and stick to the same sources, smart study is better than extreme hard work. You have to study smartly for FMG. That's what I would like to say.
सही है, बढ़िया है ना? Okay, चलो then. So now next you are so now you are going to join a hospital for internship, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo then. I wish you all the best. So wherever you be working, okay, keep shining. Okay, so David, you have scored up to 215, right? So that's a great score. You know what? So I wish you all the best. Keep shining. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.